Hey guys, we are going through some crazy times right now, but you know what? Our grandparents went through some, and great-grandparents, and they made it through, and so will we. I wanted to share you can make baking powder with including some ingredients together. Baking soda is alkaline, so you need to put it together with something that would be an acid. Like you could combine it with molasses, honey, things like that for cookies. As a leavener, it helps to spread out your cookies a little bit. But if you wanted to continue to make bread with baking powder and you're out of it, you can put 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. And that will give you a tablespoon of baking powder. So I wanted to share that with you. Y'all stay safe out there and use your handy wipes and your Clorox, and definitely take care of each other. Wanted to share. Thank you. Bye.